MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you about the Pro Mode features and how to make nighttime pictures a lot better. You can literally make nighttime pictures into daytime with this trick. So yeah, well, it's not a trick, it's just a powerful camera. It's got two cameras and one's mainly for light pretty much, and zoom in and stuff. So how do you access the Pro Mode? You swipe from the left to the right and all these options come up. Click on Pro Mode. As you can see at the moment, you can't see anything at all because I've set it wrong. I've set it. Can you see this is the shutter speed? It's very high at the moment. So you'd only use this in a very fast scene. Say you're trying to capture someone having a race or something like that, and you have to make sure there's a lot of light when you use this one. So yeah, we'll put the shutter up right now. So as you can see, when you put the shutter up, the image gets brighter. So in dark setting, you want to set the shutter speed to 10 seconds, which means you can't move the camera for 10 seconds, otherwise there's a bit of a blur. And then you got the ISO as well. I usually set this high or low, depends what it is. If I'm in a completely dark room, highest is really good. It literally turn nighttime into daylight. Then you got these settings as well for filters and stuff. Then you can choose the manual focus and autofocus. Well, it's all manual focus, but yeah, this is up close. That's far away focus. And then you got the white balance, which you can adjust, and this part at the top, which is light or something. I don't know. I can't remember what it was, but yeah, it's to do with the white balance or something. But yeah. So I'll show you the results of using these exact settings at night time in complete darkness, guys. Alright guys, so this is the first picture. This is a picture on automatic mode with no flash on. As you can see, it's just a normal. This is in complete darkness, so it's not that bad to say it's automatic mode. Yeah, this is how a normal camera would react anyway. It blur everything out, and there's a lot of noise in the picture, as you can see. Alright, so this is the next picture. This is with flash on. As you can see, it's still bad. It's good, but it's better. It's not as good as it could be though. Okay, and now we got a manual mode on, which is what I just showed you, with 10-second shutter speed and low ISO. And as you can see, it's quite blurry. Because even if you move a little bit, you have to stay still with the 10-second shutter time, because it literally takes a picture for 10 seconds. Okay, so this is the same picture again, but this time I put there's no blur basically, and then this time I put the ISO very high. As you can see, this is in complete darkness, guys, and look at that. It looks like it's sunny outside. This was in complete darkness. I'm really shocked by how amazing this camera is and how powerful it is and what it can do. I'll try to give you a demonstration of it right now somehow. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, we're in complete darkness, almost complete darkness. You get what I mean. But yeah, it's because of this light here, which I don't want to turn off because it'll just ruin everything. So I'll show you what it does. I want 10 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna have to lean on something so it doesn't blur. Alright guys, so as you saw before how dark it was. Are you ready, guys? Press the shutter. Can you see in the right hand side, the cameras, every second is basically a thingy. So 10 seconds worth. I think I've blurred it, and yeah, the ISO set too high because it's too bright. You have to work around with the ISO and stuff. So yeah, then put the ISO down a bit. We'll go for 160. Try to stay still again. In complete darkness, higher ISO is okay. Oh, I'm shaking quite a bit. Okay, as you can see, it looks like a warm summer day again. The white balance is a bit wrong as well. I want to make it automatic. There you go. That's why it's giving a bit more summery effect, which I had done before. I should have changed it, but yeah. Let's try one more time. I'll show you in complete darkness as well, might as well. Give you 1 second, I'll show you 1 second. Okay, can you see that? Can you see the difference? It looks like my light is on, which it actually isn't. I'll show you what it looks like in automatic mode. It's very noisy, as you can see. Alright, I'm going to turn my light on now. So that's with my light on, and it's almost the same, pretty much, just a bit dulled out, as you can see. So yeah, the Pro mode is a very good feature on this phone, and the 2 cameras just make it amazing. And because it's a dual pixel camera, 2 12 megapixel cameras each, they're very powerful. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more Note 8 tips and tricks, then let me know. I'll make some more videos for you. And please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.